Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Welcome back, student, to Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College. I, Mrs. Savita Srivastav, once again welcome everyone to our computer online class. I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and safe. Welcome to computer online class. Microsoft Access for class 8. Now let's begin new year with chapter 4, introducing Access. Chapter 4, introducing Access, part 2. In the previous video, we had learned the topics learning more about MS Access database, overview of database, how MS Access is called a versatile tool, database and database management system, types of careers in database administration. In this video, we are going to learn practical session, how to start Microsoft Access, getting started with MS Access screen. Now let us see how to start MS Access 2007. 1. Click on Start button. 2. Type Access in search box. 3. Select Microsoft Office Access 2007. When we create a blank database or open existing database, the application window display our database. You can see on the left hand side there are different templates category. So these are the different templates category. You can see template category featuring local templates, etc. So these are all different templates on the left hand side as well as in the center of the screen. Here you can see this is a empty blank database. When you want to create any new database, we have to click on blank database, that is a new database. Then it is showing on the right hand side recently opened database. So whichever database is already created and you want which is recently opened, we can be displayed on the right hand side. So this is the getting started with MS Office Access screen. Now let us see overall view of an Access screen. The application window is divided into 3 parts. At the top we can find Office button, Quick Access toolbar and ribbons. On the left hand side of the application window we have navigation pane. In the navigation pane we have all our previously created items. MS Access objects are table, queries, form, report, macros and modules. When you open a new blank database, the navigation panel is obviously empty. When we open an object, it will be open on the right hand side of the navigation pane. Any object that is opened as a tab at the top, this make it easy to navigate between multiple open objects. To open an object, click the down pointed arrow next to the object type and double click the object in the list. Structure of a table in MS Access database. Now let us see the structure of a table in a Access. Table structure is consist of row. These are the row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the row and the columns are ID, company, last name, first name, email. So these are the field names which are created while creating a new table. Now here there are 3 tables, multiple tables are open: invoice, customer and supplier. And the active table on which we are working is customer. In customer there are totally 16 records showing on the screen, and you can see there are records in the form of 1 company A, PDEC ENA, then second record, third record, fourth record. These are the different records. So at the bottom you can see there is a record pointer which will be indicating the record pointer where the cursor is waiting. Then at the bottom line there is a status line which is showing the datasheet view. We are working in datasheet view and the keys which are on. So this is a screen of an MS Access database. When we create a table, there are two scroll buttons. On the left hand side you can see vertical scroll button, and at the bottom you can see there is a horizontal scroll button. Now let us learn practical part, how to start Microsoft Access 2007 and how to create database and table structure. Now let us see how to start Access. First click on Start button from Windows Desktop. Then in the search box you can type Access. Now you can see here Microsoft Access 2007. Click on this. Here is the screen of Microsoft Access. Getting started with Microsoft Office Access. So let us learn about Microsoft Office Access window. As you start Access 2007, you will see the following window of Access. Now in the center you can see there is a title bar which is showing you Microsoft Access, that is a software which we are using, and it will also show the name of the file. Now let us come to the right hand side. There is a Office button in the round shape. So this is a Office button which when you click on this you can see the different file operation commands such as new, open, save, save as, print, manage, email, publish, close. If you want to close the database, you can close the database. Then it is showing you recent document used by the user, that is faculty, chapter 3, student profile, bugs tracking, times and billing. And below that you can see there are two buttons, access option and exit the access. If you want to exit the access when the work is completed, you can exit the work access by clicking on this button. So this is regarding the Office button. Then after that you can see there is a quick access menu where we can customize the quick access toolbar. Whichever option we want, we can select it and we can deselect it. Now suppose this I want to remove from this quick access, I will just click on this. Now you can see the new option is deselected. Now suppose I want to again select this new option, I will click on this, and this way you can select the toolbars which you are required. So this is called quick access toolbar. Now next is on the right hand side you can see minimize button. Then again you can restore it from here. It has been restored. Then close button to close the access. Then on the right hand side you can see the open recent database like faculty, chapter 3, student profile, bugs tracking, times and billing. So these are the databases which are been recently opened by the user. Now this is called, on the left hand side you can see this templates category. It is also called as navigation pane. So in this navigation pane you can see template categories. These are the pre-built database which can be start to use immediately. So for example, local templates and samples, then it is given here from Microsoft Office Online. So these are the ready-made pre-built database where we can make use it immediately when it is required. For example, address, annual, assets, blank and general, books, budgets, business, calculator, calendar, contacts, database, education, email, events, fax cover. So these are all different pre-built databases given by the Microsoft Access. So we can make use it immediately when it is needed to create a database. Now in the center you can see there is a blank database which is used to create a new database. So whenever you want to create a new database, you will be selecting this blank database. Suppose if you want to open the database which is already created, you have to select from Office button, open, and then select the name of the database which is already created. For example, if you want to open this, you can click on this chapter 3, it will get open. Now below that, in the center, in the middle of the screen, you can see featured online templates. So these are also a ready-made templates. If your internet connection is there with your computer, so you can open such types of database which is a ready-made database. For example, assets, contact, issues, events, marketing project, projects, sales pipeline, task, faculty and students. So these are the different online templates available, and it is also a ready-made databases which we can make use of as per our task. So these are the parts of the MS Access window. So let us see how to create a new database now. Click on blank database. Then you can see on the right hand side it is asking for the file name. You can give the file name over here and you can create a new database. Now below this database file name, you can see from where you are going to create your database. Now it is showing here in the C drive you are going to save your database in document folder. Now there is a yellow folder over there that is called browse. When I click on this, it will ask where you want to save the file. Your database can be saved. You can see this key symbol. So these are all database which has been already created and it has been stored in document folder of this PC. Okay, and after typing the file name, you can click on OK button, and this way you can create a file name. Suppose I want to create a file name address book. So I will type here address book and I will click on this create button. So your address file book database is created. So this way we can create a database. I hope you all have understood the window of Microsoft Office Access screen. Summary of this chapter: Introduction to MS Access. In this video we had learned overall view of MS Access screen, how to start Microsoft Access, and getting started with MS Access screen. I hope you have understood all the points of this chapter. So students, will meet you in next video with new chapter of MS Access. Be safe and healthy. Wear mask, save lives. Wear a face cover, wash your hands, keep a safe distance. Thank you. Goodbye.